Salut YouTube, ça fait longtemps. Comment ils vont ceux-là? Ça fait longtemps qu'on n'a pas posté là. Hein. Donc aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour un nouveau let's play de Dispatch. Alors Dispatch c'est quoi? C'est tout simplement un jeu où on est un ancien héros complètement démonté, où on sait plus quoi foutre et on nous fout au dispatch. C'est-à-dire nous on prend les héros et on les fout à des endroits différents. Le concept du jeu est particulier mais en vrai de vrai, c'est de la frappe atomique. C'est trop bien. Vous allez voir, c'est drôle, émouvant et... Enfin, il y a tout ce qu'on demande dans ce jeu vidéo. Donc je te laisse avec le premier épisode d'une série de 8. Bon visionnage. J'aime bien les jeux, j'ai envie de jouer à un jeu, de découvrir un nouveau jeu. Ça fait longtemps qu'on n'a pas découvert un jeu. Un vrai jeu.
Obviously, I love him. He's my dad.
Attends, y a pas de français?
What does that
Attends, y a pas de français? Arrête.
mean? Just say what you want to say.
It's just, when you add obviously, it feels a little less obvious.
Goumilena.
So, I'll ask again. How do you really feel about your father? It's as if maybe it's a little more complicated than you feel comfortable admitting, which is completely understandable.
Look, he's gone.
That's a bit of an understatement.
Comment tu vas, Milena?
How so?
Well, he's more than gone, because he's fucking dead.
Il est mort de chez
That's
mort.
the most gone you can be.
Just so sensitive. Listen, if I didn't love him, we wouldn't be here,
Il
right?
saigne.
We don't have to get into it.
Ah putain, mais il est allongé
Nope,
depuis
we're
tout à
in
l'heure.
it now. Why would I be trying to find the man who killed him if I didn't love him? Why would I be doing any of this? Shit. My nose is bleeding. Thought I was getting emotionally snotty.
No, it's probably from when I kicked you in the face.
Yeah, thanks for reminding me. So, here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna hang you off the side of this building, and you're gonna
J'aime bien la
tell
voix,
me
par contre.
where Shroud is, or I'm going to drop you to your death.
Come on, I thought we were having a breakthrough.
Hey, we did. You know, for being a real piece of shit, you're pretty easy to talk to, but the only breakthrough I need right now is the location of Shroud.
I'm not telling you shit, you fucking loser!
Oh bâtard,
See,
on va le
this
fumer.
is more like how I thought this would go.
I hope Shroud kills you just like he killed your father. I hope he fucking spanks your little daddy as you bitch ass to death, you hear me? Ugh. Are we outside?
Windy up here tonight, huh?
Why are we outside?
No telling where you'll
It
live.
smells like
Ah, je me disais que je connaissais la voix de dingue. Bah ouais, incroyable.
outside smells. Fuck, 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 wait, wait,
Hey,
wait,
I
wait!
have neighbors. Use your inside voice and just tell me where Shroud is.
Okay, okay, steel mill, Llewellyn Steelworks, okay? Fuck!
You sure about that?
Yes, please, that's all I know!
Stop screaming, God damn it.
Help! Help!
Hey, 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 I will pull you up if you quiet the fuck
merde.
down.
Help!
Sir, if you want something to scream about, I'll give you something to scream about.
No, 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 no!
Je sais pas si on a fait le bon choix. Mais on l'a tué. Ah non.
You piece of shit!
Hey, I ruined a perfectly good mattress to make sure you didn't die, okay? You're welcome.
Ah non, putain, on l'a pas tué, ça va. C'est stylé quand même. C'est lui le méchant, c'est Makir en fait. Ça va, le son c'est pas trop fort les gars? Vous entendez bien? Ok, parfait. Ok. Ce qui est bien avec le mode interactif, c'est que t'es obligé de rester un peu concentré tout le temps.
Time to finish this. Fuck yeah.
Ok, putain, ah ouais.
And a swish. All right, next one.
Merde, par où on passe? Ok.
Nailed it. Just one more. All right, got it.
Ok, ici Frisbee. Attends, mais ils nous ont pris pour qui, LVS? Mec, attends, ils nous ont pris pour qui?
Hey, can I get a copy of that video when we're through here? 'Cause it's over, Shroud. And it would be nice to watch that back at a different angle.
Oh no, it's over, Shroud.
Ils se foutent de notre gueule!
All this build up, face to face with your father's killer, and you come in here with that lame shit?
Where the fuck is Shroud?
He'll be here in a bit. Oh, hey! After our conversation, I asked him about your dad. Fun little tidbit. He was very well hydrated. Turns out right after Shroud shot him in the chest, your dad pissed his pants. Bet you didn't know that, huh? So after that bullet tore through his insides, he still had enough time to know how absolutely fucked he was.
On va le baiser,
He
lui.
just pissed himself like a little bitch. It was like so much piss. Because your dad was wearing shorts, so
Hey.
it just kept...
I get it.
Voilà, à un moment donné, c'est bon, ça suffit, ça y est. Et c'est assez foutu de notre gueule. On aurait pu l'écraser en vrai. Mais en fait, je sais pas encore à quel point ce qu'on fait impacte le jeu en fait.
Starting to think I didn't need to waste a perfectly good mattress to break her fall.
Perfectly good.
Oh merde.
I assumed the cum stain thing was already in the dumpster.
Can we just skip
Et
to
tout
the part
casser le
where you
boug.
reveal your bullshit superpower so we can fight for real? Cool dick. So
C'est ça. Ça beuteux? C'est ça beuteux là qu'on a vu. Belle obite, hein. Franchement, GG à lui.
you got some kind of clever supervillain name?
You can call me toxic.
Bro, that works on so many levels for you.
Yeah, no shit. That's the point! Shroud's augments are pretty good when normies like you use them. When you put them on someone who already has powers, fucking chef's kiss.
Merci, my fly. Merci beaucoup.
Ouais, je pop sur une beute mazette.
Tu popes sur une beute toxique. Alors là, écoute-moi bien. Non! Merde! J'ai loupé. Re, ma bichette. Ah, c'est dur un peu!
Figures.
Oh, il se fait hack là. C'est My Hero Academy en fait. Ça a fait un petit creux, j'ai entendu beuteux. Bienvenue Pipo. Et c'est tout à fait l'endroit pour toi mon loulou. Comment il va mon Pipo? Oh! La nuque. Terminé. C'est le jeu qui va nous faire ban en fait, je pense. A priori. A priori, ce serait le jeu qui nous ferait ban. de ce que j'en vois, c'est... Intuable. Ça me rend très heureux que toi. Ça t'a convaincu, Fly. Faut que tu fasses le jeu. Ah non mais c'est de la agra là les gars, c'est de la agra, merde. Oublie pas le petit que t'as agra quand t'étais jeune, il va grandir. Oublie pas ça. Oublie pas. C'est un jeu interactif, Irakao. Avec des choix, etc., etc.
I said 40%, but Boss Man says you're down to 28. And he is not wrong about this thing. Good news, buddy. Shroud says he just wants the Astro Pulse, which we all know isn't really yours anyway.
Il est laid. Attends, tu parles de qui? Le mec en vert? Et t'as pas... t'as pas vu sa bite encore, Irakao? Parce que juste avant, on a vu sa beuteux en 4K 60 FPS. Alors, normalement, je crois, de mémoire... T'as pas vu sa toxique beuteux? Je crois que de mémoire, Bichette, maintenant... C'est activé, coucou sinon ça va ou quoi ma bichette? Je crois que c'est activé, tu peux faire des retours arrière je crois sur le live. Et du coup tu peux, Si t'as envie de te mater une beuteuse toxique, tu peux y aller. Je suis choqué, arrête un peu.
Some check. Calculate the damage per second hitting shields. Then tell me how many seconds I need to.
Mais merde, je croyais que c'était en... Putain, mais je croyais qu'on pouvait, tout le monde pouvait le faire maintenant.
Oh hey, Bossman says if you're planning on diverting pulse power to the boosters, it won't work. This is a limited time offer, dude. What's up? You were so fucking talkative earlier. I'm just the messenger here.
He says you're not calculating that shit stuck to your leg, dumbass.
Fuck it.
Hey, great! All go to plan. Now get out of there, babe.
Come on.
On s'en est sorti. Alors attendez, il faut que tu mettes ta VOD en ligne avant automatique. Mais c'est automatique, normalement ça se met direct. Ou alors il y a un réglage à faire quelque part. Tu vas me dire. Tu vas me dire.
Yeah. Status.
Ça marche le son. Merci de nous passer quand même, c'est adorable. Il a envoyé sa beuteux. Bon ben force à toi. Waouh, belle intro, hein. J'aime beaucoup. Hein. La VOD est dispo, en tout cas je la vois sur ta chaîne. Ok, et vous pouvez pas... Vous avez pas un contrôle sur le direct? Il me semblait que c'était possible. Normalement tout le monde pouvait le faire.
It was just over 4 months ago that images like this were recorded across the Southland.
J'aime beaucoup l'intro, c'est vrai.
Social media
C'est vrai, j'aime beaucoup l'intro.
showing what many thought to be the death of Mecha Man. Again. For nearly 50 years, a Mecha Man has protected Los Angeles. Built by an ordinary civilian with no superpowers. This first suit was dubbed by some fans as Mecha Man Prime.
Ah, faudra que je regarde pour les prochaines, ouais. Tout sera disponible après le live.
Given everything to protect this community, including their lives. After the tragic passing of Prime, the next Mecha Man, known as Astral, teamed up with a star
Oh la moustache wear.
group known as the Brave Brigade.
Ça c'était le Mecha-Man des années 80 ça.
In the Southland. After years of loyal service, tragedy struck again when Shroud, a former Brave Brigade member turned villain, killed the pilot of Mecha Man in cold blood. But yet again, as hope was lost, a third generation of Mecha Man emerged. A Mecha Man for the modern era. A bulwark against
Ce serait pas le fils de l'ancien Mecha Man?
Los Angeles area until today. Earlier today, Mecha Man broke his silence and addressed the media.
J'ai vu le pipou. Comment t'as fait? C'est un clip ou quoi?
There's been a lot of speculation about my health and the state of the Mecha Man suit, and I'm here to put that speculation to rest. The suit has been damaged beyond my ability to repair, so I will be stepping back from superhero work, effective immediately.
Does this mean you're finished?
Non, il y a la rediff en cours. Ah ben voilà, c'est ça. Mais c'est bon, ça marche alors. T'es sur PC ou téléphone, Bichette?
Ashley Rhiness, San Pedro Daily. Do you have anything to say to your fans? The public outpouring, the vigils. A lot of them were worried you wouldn't wake up.
Téléphone,
Everything
ok.
I've done, every sacrifice me and my family have made has been for the people of Los Angeles. Next question.
Chris Stratton, Torrance Tribune. Does this mean you're retiring as Mecha Man? Word on the street is you're donezo.
Finito
Are you 100
Pipo.
years old? Why are you talking like that?
Answer the question, buddy boy. Are you retiring? My readers need the skinny, and I aim to deliver. Let's get it on the record.
Look, I'm not retiring. Not yet, at least.
Any idea what you can do without the Mecha Man suit?
Not yet. Alright, just one more, please. I gotta get back to, just one more. Preferably someone from the Century.
Charles Kingsley, South Bay Signal. So, Shroud kills your
South
father,
Bay Signal.
goes to jail 15 years, breaks out, and immediately dupes you into a trap where he destroys the Mecha Man suit and puts you in a coma for months.
I didn't hear a question in there.
Two-parter. First, why didn't Shroud kill you? You haven't been conscious for months. It'd be easy money taking you out.
Okay, Shroud wanted the Astral Pulse and Mecha Man gone. He got both. I'm not sure I mattered much.
Right. You're unimportant. Which leads me to my next question.
Bâtard.
Most heroes avenge their family. You did the opposite. You killed their legacy. How disappointed would your dad be if he were here right now? Your father, your grandfather, they must be rolling over in their graves.
I think he'd be proud, because I'm alive. Which, as you so sensitively pointed out, he isn't. I think he knows that I sacrificed everything and that I did my best. Being Mecha Man, protecting my community, was the greatest honor I'll ever have. Now I have to live knowing that. Thank you for coming.
Merci mec. Ah, il est dans le mal, le pauvre, il me fait un peu de la peine en vrai. Donc c'est bien ça, c'est son daron, l'ancien Mecha Man, ok.
A mecha quitter?
Yeah, I mean, it seemed like it'd be better if he died than be a mecha
Bah ouais, non mais les gens, mais vous voyez comme quoi? Vous voyez comme quoi, même dans le futur avec des super-héros, le harcèlement des réseaux sociaux, les gars, c'est toujours l'actualité, c'est terrible.
Stay tuned to find out.
Hey, assholes. Yeah, all you assholes. Pretty disrespectful for you to be doing that in front of me.
Hey, who are you calling assholes, asshole?
On va se faire péter la gueule.
Keep loading. We're out of here in
On va se faire péter la gueule.
Who the fuck are you?
Yeah,
Je suis... Ah non, mais il a un bras, j'avais pas vu.
Hobo Ranger? Who the fuck are you?
Right now, I'm someone with nothing to lose. Which is probably bad news for you.
Well, with nothing you have, you're about to lose again.
Allez, bagarre.
Whatever the case,
Allez, viens.
I'm enough to
Va te
deal with
battre.
a pack of fucking Skittles idiots like you.
God damn it. Look, you're hurt. You're not thinking straight. You don't want to fight someone who knows which hand every punch is coming from.
Mon pipou spectral.
What the?
Putain, mais on avait la maîtrise là, viens pas nous faire chier toi, merde. On était en train de y arriver là, putain. Oui, bon, on a des bleus, mais bon.
That guy I threw, he landed on the roof, right?
Bah, t'es sympa.
Hi, I'm Blonde-Blazer.
Salut
I work
Aura.
over at Superhero
Salut Aura.
Dispatch Network.
Allez.
Hey. Hi. Yeah.
Ouais, je te connais très bien, je t'ai vu sur l'Instagram.
Famous.
Oh, I don't know about that. I'm just a corporate hero for hire.
T'as pas un
You're
petit
the
héros
real
fans à partager, Doudou? Bien sûr qu'on avait la maîtrise, elle vient tout gâcher cette
Right. I
biatch.
don't think infamous is the same as famous, but...
Oh god, your arm.
Fuck. Oh yeah, that's gross.
Yeah, you look like some kind of mime DJ. Let me see it. I'll help you. Usually dislocates the other way.
Okay, but have you done this before? Because maybe... Ow! Okay. Wow.
Ok, je veux que des
That's,
FC Aurore dans le chat, les gars.
That's okay. Thank you.
One of them is on that roof.
You look like you could use a drink.
What makes you say that?
Yeah, well, you know what? They can taste the rainbow in jail.
What do you mean? Like different colored dicks?
Ça parle que de beuteux dans ce jeu. J'aime bien. J'aime bien, je vais rester là, moi.
Sorry.
I actually didn't know what I meant, but you know what? It should have been that.
I'm a little buzzed. I don't really make jokes like that. I think Vizzy's rubbing off on me.
Who?
Someone I work with. It's... yeah.
Elle a une descente, la Zine? Oui.
I can't tell which one of us had the rough day.
Oh, no. I had a great day. Well, that's not totally true. Oh, you're joking. Sorry. It's fine. Don't worry about keeping up. Something to do with the powers. It takes a lot for me to feel anything.
What a sad sentence.
Hey, you should give yourself more credit. To do what you did for as long
Et on a plus d'armure, on a plus rien, on se fait péter par des connards à cagoule.
What do you call this?
I can fix that one for you too.
No thanks, I like this one.
Thank you. So, how did you afford all that? You must have spent hundreds of thousands of
Millions. So you'll understand when the check comes.
You're serious? Millions.
Yeah, I basically burned through my entire inheritance keeping it going. The last couple of years have just been duct tape and sheer determination.
Why did you do it?
Do what?
Sacrifice everything
Grassine.
to be a superhero to the point of financial...
Ruin?
I was gonna say hardship, but ruin was the first word that came to mind, yeah. You must be completely broke at this point.
Honestly, it's the only thing I'm good at.
Now that's a sad sentence. Come on, that can't be true. I guess it could be true. So, are you drunk yet or what?
Yeah, I should probably be switching to water.
Good, because I was hoping, after some drinks to loosen you up, I could learn a little more about you.
Elle veut.
And, if all that went well...
Vas-y, Mechaman!
Present you with a
Bombarde-la!
A proposition?
Alors,
I'm just trying to
proposition!
figure out if this is a fit or not, you know? Then it's just a matter of picking the right moment.
Well, I have to say, Blazer, that does sound intriguing.
That's actually... not water.
God, this is like pure
Non!
alcohol.
It's not like alcohol, it is alcohol.
Est-ce qu'il a un pipou méca? C'est ça qu'on veut savoir. L'autre, il a un pipou spectral, lui, est-ce qu'il a un pipou méca?
That's water. That, see? How it has ice in it.
You drink hard liquor from a pint glass?
Actually, I usually just drink it straight from the bottle, but
Oh, c'est une
I thought that would be
alcoolique, la Zine.
embarrassing. I'm gonna go clean up.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. I will be right back.
Elle a posé la main sur l'épaule!
What are you doing?
Hey, bitch! Hey, I'm talking to you, bitch.
Attacking to you!
Just so you know, I
Oh,
only turned around
l'animal.
because someone yelled, not because I'm a bitch or anything.
Don't you watch the news? This is a superhero bar.
Oh, wow, are you a superhero? That's so cool. Is this your power? You're like, tell people obvious shit guy?
Well, you're really going to act like you don't remember me.
Wait, it's coming back to me. Hold on. Yeah, it's coming back to me. Oh, wait. I know it. You are Dr. Don't Do Shit. Your deal is you walk up to people, look threatening, talk a big game, then don't do shit about it. Also, you're not a real doctor.
T'es con comme un balai!
Shit. That is... damn.
You good?
Sorry, I choked on my spit.
No, like a bitch. I control the fire.
The fire?
And the flame. And my skin does not burn. I am Flambe. And you...
Wait, oh shit, I do remember you. You're that shitty villain I busted up.
Not anymore, mecha dick.
As I literally just said, I am Flambe, a real superhero. And you are not Mecha Man anymore. So, you need to get the fuck out of here. Now, we can do
Alcool!
this
La
easier.
bagarre!
Sorry. Which way was that?
Hey! No, Punch Up. You're literally fanning the flames right now.
Shit, yeah, you're right. Anybody got a rug? You gotta
Tout le monde
drop
s'en
a roll,
souviendra, j'ai
lad.
l'impression d'avoir fait une dinguerie.
That heat doesn't burn.
Some people become scared before they even know they're hurt. Like babies.
Oh, mais attends, mais on est plus super-héros, mais on a du sexe à
Hey,
encore.
Mecha Dick, get the fuck out of here.
I get it. Can you just tell Blazer I'm outside?
Ow!
Relax. I'm leaving.
Oh merde.
Hey, I couldn't find you.
It's cool. I was just admiring the art on this dumpster. Can't tell why anyone would put those words together. Why are you holding drinks?
Nightcap?
You're in trouble.
Actually, according to the bartender, that's exactly what you are. What happened in there? I walk out and the bartender's pissed. The whole energy is awkward. And why'd it smell like burnt hair?
Oh, my glass slipped and I made a little mess.
Just a little mess?
Yeah? Does that not sound
Aurore, elle se met juste des grandes timbales, c'est tout ce qu'elle
Hold
fait.
these. I know a place.
Oh!
It's a little out there. Easier if we fly.
C'est trop stylé, j'aime trop. Par contre, je me pose juste la question, vu comment ils n'ont pas de limite à montrer des pipous en 4K, est-ce que s'il y a un coït, ce sera 4K aussi? Je pose la question.
I actually thought you were taking us to sit on it.
Hmm? Oh yeah, that would have been cool. Oh no, yeah, this is better, cause you can see it. And it looks like there's a couple up there already, so.
I know I shouldn't even bring it up because it was mortifying for the both of us, but I am seriously sorry about the whole
Coït en
spitting
4K.
thing.
Yeah, that's usually
Salut
what the
Maustria, comment tu vas?
I'm joking. I'm joking.
Good Nopi!
This is not a date.
Merci Malo pour le follow, merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Alors ce fameux dispatch. Ouais, c'est le fameux dispatch. Écoute, on commence et c'est très cool. Pour l'instant, c'est très drôle. On a vu un zizi en plein écran, zizi complètement. Mais bon, on attend que notre perso conclue et peut-être j'hésite à me le prendre. Écoute, si je peux te donner envie.
Yeah, I was thinking about something else, but yeah, thanks.
Le zizou toxico.
Again.
Don't you worry about it, Robert Robertson.
How do you know my name?
Oops.
What's going on?
Okay, I'll tell you. But only after you tell me how you ended up with a name like that.
Oh, you mean a name like Robert Robertson III?
Robert
The
Robertson.
Third? Three
Robert
times
Robertson.
This happened?
There was Grandpa Bobby, then my dad, who I called Dad, but everyone else called Robbie, and then me, Robert, because I wanted to be taken seriously.
Family tradition.
In more ways than one. Gramps was the first Mecha Man. He died in the suit before I was born. Dad was killed fighting Shroud. That's when I took over. There was a little inheritance and the life insurance money.
I'm so sorry. I didn't realize.
Just your run-of-the-mill, sad superhero origin story. The family tradition, if there is one, is dying in that suit, which I guess I don't have to worry about anymore. What is it?
I'm not quite drunk enough to share my origin story just yet, but
Ah, elle a un background,
I
elle.
tell you someday.
Elle a un background. Oh! Le coït! Déconne pas, chef. Déconne pas. C'est maintenant. Eh oui, t'es beau, t'es beau. Il te manque un bout d'oreille, mais t'es beau. Vas-y! Yes!
No, this.
Non! Oh.
I'm sorry if I gave the wrong impression.
Oh merde!
It's my fault.
I'm so sorry. I totally misread that.
You didn't. I mean, you didn't. But I definitely. The way I went about things tonight.
Mais arrête de dire ça!
It was all a little loose, a little unprofessional.
Unprofessional? I'm not sure that applies to this.
I'm actually here on official business. How I know your name, the proposition I
Voilà.
mentioned, right
Ah, je suis
before you
déçu.
spit in my
J'arrête
mouth.
là, moi.
Still mortified about that.
It's fine. Do you remember a superhero named Trackstar?
Remember, of course. He's like family. That I haven't talked to in a while, but what about him?
I work with him at SDN. He recommended you. Mentioned that he worked with your father?
Yeah, he was the youngest member of the Brave Brigade, so he was kind of my babysitter for a while. How's he doing?
He's doing great. He's why I'm here. Robert, I would like to make you an offer. In exchange for dispatching and mentoring some of our rookie heroes, SDN can make you Mecha Man again. But this time with all the resources that a company as big as ours has at their disposal. No more paying out of pocket for repairs. Support staff, the whole shebang.
So this was like some sort of interview?
I was worried that you might be
Crazy?
unstable, damaged, unfit, batshit, dipshit, I don't know, whatever you want to call it.
Oh merde.
It's a big investment. It'll take considerable time and money to get the suit repaired.
Je sais pas si le jeu me permettra ça, mais écoutez-moi bien attentivement maintenant. Mon objectif numéro 1, faut pécho Aurore. Le reste, on s'en fout. Aurore. Aurore, FC Aurore, maintenant.
Plenty of time to learn how to dispatch and level up some of the heroes on our roster. Your experience.
Arrête de poser ta main sur mon épaule!
Perspective, it's all invaluable. Share it, Robert. You have a lot left to give.
And what if I say no?
Then I'll hate you forever. And I'll push you off this billboard.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sauver le monde, c'est surfait, merde, Solène. Merde!
Nope.
Nous, on veut Aurore, c'est tout ce qu'on veut.
Wait, so you want me dispatching? What's that even mean?
Oh, right. I was supposed to test you at the bar. Here.
Drunk people shouldn't be throwing things at drunk people.
Noted.
Am I waiting or are you waiting? What's going
It
on?
was supposed to open up when I threw it to you. Okay, there. Pop it on.
Oh.
This is.
Oh,
part
les
of the
Ray-Ban
assessment.
connectés du
And
Seigneur.
don't move too much in there. You're sitting on the edge of the billboard.
Bienvenue, agent du SDH. Bonjour, bienvenue dans cette simulation. Nous, les super-héros, nous serions rien sans notre agent du SDH. C'est grâce à lui qu'on sauve des
The
vies.
dispatcher. So, dispatcher, where do we start? Well, it appears we've got
Tiens,
our
voilà
first
notre
call
premier appel
from
d'un
a
client.
subscriber.
J'ai vu des individus louches et menaçants qui étaient lancés au cinéma hier soir.
You'll receive requirements to help
Attaquez
you
la
determine
planque,
which
ultra bien
heroes
gardés
to
des diables
send.
se défendent contre les ennemis armés. Vous recevez les instructions pour aider à choisir les héros
Such an
appropriés.
array of brave heroes
Un panel
to
de héros
choose from.
exceptionnels.
How could you possibly pick just one? This graph will show you what a hero
Ce graphique
does
illustre
well
les forces et les faiblesses de
and
chaque héros.
not
Ok.
so well. A hero with a knack
Cette mission,
for
notre
vigor
héros doit être
and
vigoureux et
combat looks right
bagarreur.
for the job. That sounds like me, Phenomaman. Now that at least one
Maintenant,
hero
la
is
mission
being
attribuée à un héros,
dispatched,
passons à l'action.
it's time to get to work. A wise choice. I will now return to SDN. When a hero returns to SDN, they'll need some much...
Ok, repos, d'accord.
Don't forget
Je
to
connais pas du tout
review
le
your
jeu.
hero's performance. They won't be sent... On SDN's state-of-the-art graph, we can see
Permet
an
d'analyser les compétences
analysis
requises pour
of
cette
what
mission.
skills the call Let's see how well I did after responding to that. There's no such thing as a perfect fit. Use your intellect and the
Okay.
more that my skills align with the needs of the job, the more likely I am.
Ah oui, c'est... Ah oui, d'accord, et en plus, il y a du hasard.
Organized criminals, often led by
putain,
figurehead
ouais, d'accord.
supervillains, are the scourge of Southern California. We work tirelessly to root them out.
Oh merde, un autre appel.
We've got potential villain hideouts on the college campus.
Enquêter sur la planque de méchants qui aurait été découvert à l'université. Interpréter les indices pour démasquer les mystérieux criminels. Ok. Comment on voit les trucs? C'est discrétion, nous. Donc il faut du cerveau. Il faut la savante en vrai. Alors ça c'est vigueur, mobilité, charisme, intelligence, combat.
The smart choice.
Bon,
Knowledge.
on va essayer. Ouais, impeccable. Impeccable!
Effortless excellence.
Enquêter sur... Ok. Le musée a besoin d'un intervenant pour son expo sur les super-héros de la région. Inaugurer l'expo sur les super-héros devant un public enthousiaste. Partager son expérience unique en tant que super-héros. Combat, vigueur, mobilité, charisme. Il nous faut du charisme. Il nous faut beau parleur.
Oh, if these streets could talk.
One of your heroes needs you. As their leader, your
Les discours
heroes
préparés,
will
Gladiator
look
n'arrive pas à
to
captiver
you.
l'audience. On doit devoir
Make
improviser.
choices and follow where they lead.
De point culture générale. C'est du musée, culture générale, ça peut être pas mal en vrai. Je crois.
These choices need the right skill.
Oh merde,
Remember
mais
each
comment
of
on
your
fait?
hero's strengths and
Ah mais
weaknesses.
oui, mais je suis trop con. J'aurais dû faire qu'être des blagues, je suis trop bête. Ah non, c'est bon. Hop là, doucement. Putain, y'en a partout.
The convoy of Diablo's goons are harrying the
D'attaquer
highway.
nos agents de la circulation, intercepter le convoi, les accabler en les attaquant sans relâche. Ok, on envoie lui.
Speaking of traffic and
Boom.
going places, does SDN offer paid time off to take vacations?
Ok, hôpital pris d'assaut, le diabolé, quel diable s'en prend des hôpitaux. Protéger les civils, en défense, il nous faut...
Use it however you like, as long as you
Lui.
discuss your schedule with your manager
Ok,
well in
là,
advance.
ensuite, le centre-ville est attaqué par un énorme monstre, aidons-nous, détourner l'attention du monde, encaisser les attaques. Ah, c'est quoi ça? Détourner l'attention du monstre, encaisser les attaques de la bête jusqu'à ce qu'elle s'épuise. Rapidité en vrai. Ah, c'est cool! Quoi encore?
I need help getting to my
Aider la dame
doctor's
âgée à traverser la rue, se dépêcher afin qu'elle puisse honorer son rendez-vous médical. Oh. Occupé, repos, envoyez-lui. Hein.
Everything in moderation.
I do things by the book.
Ok, ça c'est fini. Intercepter des convois. Non! Bon, arrête!
It's quite all right. You're still learning.
Ça va être une
SDN
catastrophe.
values work-life balance. When the bell rings, your shift. Sometimes a hero can use
Agent
their
lesbien,
talents
Liabo
to
s'en prend aux
tip
braves
the
gens au sein de
scales.
l'hôpital. Que faire?
They are superheroes after all.
The walls didn't stand a chance.
Ok, super. Ça. Oh, c'est une catastrophe. C'est une catastrophe.
Boo.
El Diablo's goons are running scared. We're right
J'ai
on
personne,
heels
j'ai
of the
personne.
sidekick, El
J'ai
Diablo.
personne. Va falloir attendre, tonton. J'ai personne. C'est le pire, je crois que c'est le pire début de run de l'histoire de l'humanité entière.
Poor marks on
Otage
that
tué,
one.
y'a personne. Ouais, faut peut-être en envoyer plusieurs, mais t'as vu le nombre de missions qu'il y a? Oh. Ok.
SDN solves all problems, big and small. We never ignore the people of the city, particularly the elderly.
Speaking of retirement, quick question. Phenomenon, does SDN offer 401k matching?
Yes, but there are limitations. Your HR representative will have
Ok,
all
je les ai
the
tous dispo. Poursuivre, résister aux attaques en masse, vaincre et capturer le Diablo. Oh putain, alors attends, poursuivre, il nous faut L.
Try and keep up.
Résister aux attaques de masse des sbires, il nous faut L. Et vaincre et capturer El Diablito.
Justice will prevail.
Et je pense qu'on est pas mal là.
Loud and clear. Moving out.
On a couvert un truc assez large là. Oh. Ah oui, bah là c'était facile.
Call me Justice.
Ah voilà, là quand même bon.
Our shift is done now. It is time for lunch.
We couldn't have done it without you, dispatcher.
Too true.
I'm going to enhance my break time with some of the snack offerings in our break room vending machines.
Great idea. Thank you again, dispatcher. I hope to be seeing a lot more of you. Goodbye for now, and don't forget to be phenomenal.
Did he just say phenomenal? It felt pretty natural to me. And that it's natural for me to end up mid-tier, that said, for the first time, it feels pretty...
Elle danse notre épaule!
Did I drool on you?
I don't think so.
Well, you see why we thought of... Well, why Trackstar thought of you.
It makes sense, yeah.
Meet me at the SDN offices tomorrow. I'm not done saving you yet.
Is there a ladder, or...
Je t'ai bavé dessus le succès.
Sorry I'm late. Were you a good boy?
The folks at SDN are the best in the business, and we're striving to create a safe...
Et il a maté en vidéo, il est amoureux, ça y est, il est piqué le man.
She wants to help us out.
Waouh! Ça c'était l'épisode 1, mais c'est trop bien, mais ça passe trop vite! Je vous avais pas menti, c'est de la frappe atomique. Hein. Bon, en tout cas, merci d'avoir regardé, j'espère que ça vous a plu. On se retrouve très vite pour l'épisode 2, et ainsi de suite, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. En attendant, merci d'avoir regardé. Mettez un petit like, un petit commentaire si ça vous a plu, ça fait toujours plaisir, c'est gratuit. Et n'hésitez pas à vous abonner aussi, on n'est pas loin des 1000 abonnés, et ce serait bien qu'on y arrive. Je vous fais des gros bisous, passez une bonne journée, une bonne soirée, ce que vous voulez. Bisous à tous, ciao ciao!